Good morning, dear students. Chapter 2, and name of the chapter 2 is the components of food. And you know that yesterday I told you what is the symptoms of the Kwashiorkor diseases and what is the symptoms of the marasmus. So in this I told you symptoms of the Kwashiorkor, that is the protruding belly, dark and scaly skin, brownish hair, stunted growth, usually underweight, swollen legs due to accumulation of water, anemia, mental retardation, and reduced resistance. And symptoms of marasmus: poor muscle development, bones showing through the skin, no fat, weak legs, loss of appetite, anemia, grossly underweight. And I told you about protein energy malnutrition, and today I will tell you diseases due to deficiency of minerals. So deficiency disease, and like the vitamins, minerals too are required in small quantities, are important for the normal functioning of our body. So vitamin deficiency diseases, vitamins deficiency diseases, symptoms. Deficiency diseases, that is the night blindness, and symptoms, what is the symptoms? The poor night vision, sometimes loss of night vision is complete, and vitamins B1 deficiency diseases is a very. And nervousness, what are the symptoms? Nervousness, loss of appetite, paralysis, weak muscles. And then vitamin C deficiency diseases, scurvy, and symptoms of germs, swelling of joints. And then vitamin D deficiency diseases, rickets, and symptoms, weak bones, decaying teeth. Vitamin K, hemorrhage, clotting of blood affected. And then mineral deficiency diseases, minerals, that is the calcium deficiency diseases, and symptoms, brittle bones, that is the rickets, excessive bleeding, and stunted growth. Bones and teeth, bones. Sodium dehydration, extreme body weakness, potassium deficiency diseases and symptoms, muscle weakness, paralysis. Then iron, anemia, iodine, goiter, swollen gland in the neck, abnormal, that is the dental decay. And activity 8, in activity 8 it is given to study the food culture of different regions of India. The meals in different regions of our country are different. Even within a state, there is a considerable variation in the meal patterns, and it will be interesting to study the meal patterns of people from different states residing in your neighborhoods. And for this, collect the information as suggested. After collecting the data, analysis the meals for their food components and weather. So information on meal patterns, you will write state, then district, then village, and then how many meals are taken in a day. I told you 3 meals are there in the day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. List the meals with their names and time, like breakfast, mid-morning, lunch, mid-afternoon, evening tea, dinner. Contents of the different meals in the following table: early morning menu, list of items, mid-morning, list of items, mid-afternoon, list of items, evening tea, list of items. Then you have to write comments on the meals consumed, whether balanced or not, will cause deficiency diseases or not. And this type of information can be collected from persons of different states like Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Kerala, Assam, and others. And then I will tell you what is the balanced diet. So you know that balanced diet, a diet containing adequate amounts of all the components of food, and a diet in which energy giving, body building and protective foods are present in sufficient quantities. And then carbohydrates compounds producing more energy than and goiter diseases due to the deficiency of iodine, and kwashiorkor diseases in children due to deficiency of mainly proteins and to some extent carbohydrates. What is the marasmus? Diseases in infants due to deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates. What protective foods having no energy value and important for body functions. Obesity, excessive body weight due to overnutrition. Then protein, body building compound, and protein energy malnutrition, unbalanced diet which lacks proteins and carbohydrates. Vitamins, protective compounds having no food value and important for proper body functioning. So this is all about, and I have completed chapter 2, and chapter 1 I have given food, where does it come from. I think all of you completed in the copy. And in chapter 2 components of food I have given, and only question answer is remaining. So first you will take revision of this chapter, and after taking revision, what is the important terms are there, that is the just like what is the P, like that. So all of you take revision of chapter 2, and then I will give the PDF.